Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to do a chicken vegetable stir fry. We've got some lotus root, bamboo shoots, bean sprouts, lots of other vegetables in there. Absolutely wonderful. And today I've got assistance from my lovely children. Say hi, Axum.
Hi.
Say hi, Moya.
Hi.
Moya's going to be helping me because she's the better cook. You're rubbish at cooking.
You are disgusting, Dad.
Thanks. Okay, so let's take a look at all of these ingredients that we're going to be using today. And just to let you know that the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. So obviously we've got our chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin strips. Onion, sliced ginger and sliced garlic, and some green onions. They're your essentials there, okay? Now these are the vegetables that I'm using. You can play around with these vegetables as much as you like. I've got some green beans, some mange tout or sugar snaps, a little bit of bell pepper. This here is lotus root. If you can't get it fresh, you can get it in a can in most places. Well, depends on where you are in the world. But yeah, it's pretty tasty stuff. Some mushrooms there, fresh sliced, and here I've got some bamboo shoot. Now if you can't get bamboo shoot, again, fresh, you can get it in a can, or like I say, you can really play around with these vegetables. Add some broccoli or something like that, you know, courgettes. And here I've got some light soy sauce. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add salt and pepper. Okay, so we've got a wok or a pan. We need to get this oil as hot as you can. Get it really nice and hot. Everything we're going to do is going to be really hot today. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using something else. Now, just to let you know, I've got a special guest here today. This is Moya. She's going to be helping me. Onions, please, baby. So first we're going to drop in our onions. Ginger. Then we're going to add our fresh ginger. We're going to stir this on a high heat just for 2 minutes. Okay, so just a couple of minutes on this high heat. Next up we're going to put in our garlic. Thank you, darling. In that goes. And then we're going to add our chicken. Thank you. So this is a chicken breast, no skin, no bone. And as you can see, we've cut it really nice and thin. Let's go for 3 minutes, keeping it moving all the time. Okay, now don't worry if your chicken isn't cooked yet, because we've still got a long way to go. Next up, we're going to put in our green beans. Let's have those, baby. Cheers. In they go. And then our lotus root. That looks funny, doesn't it? In that goes. And our bamboo shoots, in that goes. And the bamboo shoot I got, it kind of comes in like big chunks, and I've cut it like this, sliced like that. If you want, you can cut it really thin, up to you. Okay, another 3 minutes, keep it moving. So on a high heat, we continue. We're now going to add some bell peppers and some mange tout. Like I say, the selection of vegetables is entirely up to you. While we're here, I'm just going to add some black pepper. I'm going to add some salt. If you want, you could add some fresh chili to this or chili powder. But I'm staying away from that today. Okay, another 3 minutes. Keep her moving. Wonderful stuff going on in here. Okay, next we're going to add our mushrooms. Do you want to pass me those, honey? Yes. So we've got some fresh mushrooms, just like 2 or 3. And again, another couple of minutes, keeping it moving. Okay, our next step is to add our bean sprouts. Do you want to pass me those, honey? You can eat these raw, do you know that? You can eat them like that. You can eat them or you can cook them. Now we're going to add this soy sauce. I'm using a light soy and not too much. We're then going to add some water I'm going to go now for about 4 minutes. Now, some people like their bean sprouts really, really cooked. I'm quite happy to eat them with a little bit of bite. That's up to you. Keep it moving. Okay, off goes the heat. Those bean sprouts are kind of where I like them. They will have a little bite to them, but some people would like them cooked a lot longer. Check that for salt. I think we're going to be fine. We're going to end this off with some spring onions, green onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. That's it. Fantastic. With some lovely white rice. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Say bye-bye, baby.
Lots of love. Bye.